Content creation, building your brand and generating inbound leads as a financial professional. How to create, distribute, and leverage content for client acquisition. Content establishes authority and credibility in the industry. It generates inbound leads through consistent engagement with your potential clients. It also builds recognizable brand for yourself over time. But what is and what isn't content creation? First, I will state what it is. It's sharing your expertise through various formats, educating, engaging, and converting potential clients, and it is a long-term strategy for brand growth. But what it isn't one-time effort. You can't just post one video and then leave the social media for 1 year. Also, isn't overloading your audience with sales pitches and relying solely on paid ads. How the content creation process works. First of all, you choose a topic based on client needs and industry trends. You create an outline or rough notes and develop content pieces based on these notes. These can be short videos, long videos, blogs, social media posts, design carousels, presentations, text posts, and so on. Then post these posts on different platforms like on LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, doesn't matter. Then engage with those who reacted somehow to these posts. That means once somebody will like your post, you can send a message, thank you for your like, hopefully there was valuable information, what did you like the most about my post? Yeah. Or if they leave a comment, you can respond in a comment, but then again start a conversation stating thank you for the comment. It will help with engagement under this post and boost the algorithm. What can I do for you to make it up for you? So, for example, shooting out of nowhere, yeah? And then repeat this process consistently for the brand growth. But how can you find these topics that you should make a content about? First of all, you have to build a client avatar. We use for the client avatar building our value survey to define our client's ideal clientele. Then we answer questions about their goals, struggles, and needs, and build a detailed profile to guide your content. There are two different types of content that we are advising our clients, financial professionals, to build. First of all, it is fundamental content, and second of all, there is regular content. Fundamental content means that you will showcase your services and their benefits, your case studies and testimonials, who you are and what is your expertise, your process with a new client, and also your lead magnets. This means that if you build a ebook, that is one of the fundamental contents that you should share on your social media. And the second type is the regular content, and it should be structured something like this. 2 times per month you should share industry insights, trends, and world events within your industry. 2 times per month you should post your personal views on, for example, financial planning or your profession as a whole, and 2 times per month you should post some client case studies and testimonials. To be successful with your content creation and have some results coming, meaning some new meetings, some new prospects coming from your profiles, you should post at least 10 times per month. I did outline you 6 different types of content. You have to just find out another 4. After you will be consistent, you will get some feedback and you should fine-tune and optimize everything. Meaning that you should analyze which content types perform the best, adjust posting frequency, times of posting, and content formats based again on engagement, and incorporate audience feedback into future content. But what to do if you are unsure and you are stuck? Meaning that you started maybe posting but stopped because you didn't have ideas, you didn't know where to go next, and so on. We are then advising to review high-performing content of your competitors for inspiration, focus on topics that generates the most engagement for them, and start building your own content based on those. What are some expected results for financial professionals once they will start posting regularly? And we are talking about FPs that has no audience at all. Your post impressions will vary by the platform, but with Instagram organic there can be 80 to 150 impressions per post. Facebook organic and group is also 80 to 150 impressions per post, and LinkedIn organic and groups are also 80 to 150 impressions per post. This means that you should find as many Facebook groups and as many LinkedIn groups as you can to increase the number of impressions to your posts and to your profile then. Total reach could be anywhere from 4,000 to 6,000 impressions per month, which gives you a lot of new eyeballs on your branding and on your practice, on your business. Expected conversions can be 0.5% response rate. This means that there can be 24 conversations just by posting and then following up with these potential clients by sending them message. And there can be 20% booking rate, which means 5 meetings per month. And when you think about having a 40% closing rate, you can get 2 clients per month just by sitting down and writing some content or recording some content just like I am right now. The time investment here shouldn't be that high, but also you should take some time to create posts. It shouldn't be just writing 150 words and calling it content creation in 10 minutes and sending that on Twitter. It should be 40, 60 minutes or 2 hours of work per week for text creations and video recordings. Once you will do that, you will have those results that I outlined you in previous slide. So if you want to get help with content creation, we are doing just this for our clients. We are building for them all of the content. They then approve that, edit that, record raw footage. We edit those videos, edit those graphic designs, and redistribute it in their name without them doing anything besides, as I said, editing, approving, and recording videos. That's all. So if you want our help, do not hesitate to contact us through messages, emails, or phone call, and we will be happy to help you build your personal branding. Thank you and see you in another video.